my dear Ari, laying down to sleep. Hope one day you'll forgive me. Hope that the Lord has taken your soul, and one day we'll be back as a whole. You're the best thing I ever had, and I miss you until we meet again. I love you so much until I die. Good night, my Ari. I say goodbye.
I don't explain myself. I don't translate intent. If the message feels sharp, that's how it was sent. I don't soften meaning for comfort or ease. I don't break down resolve into pieces you need. If you miss the signal, that's not my fault.